Good morning, welcome to InsureFit Vehicle Installations based in Blackburn, Lancashire, approved locks, vans, fitting centre. Today I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of this Ford Transit custom install. This is our Gold Plus package, includes a Starline S9 system, full locks and plates. So we've got the driver's door rep lock there, high level hook locks to the rear and internal door shields. We've also got high level hook locks to the sliding door. There's also plates fitted within the door skin here. Big problem with doors being peeled at the minute from that point. With the Starline alarm system, fully customisable system. We've got mirror fold on here, horn honk. One of the more secure systems on the market at the minute. InsureFit are the only locks, vans and approved Starline dealer in the Northwest. So if you're looking for a combination of lock security and alarm systems, we're the people to come and see. The system uses two tags, come with the kit. Each tag will disable the vehicle, or you can use your mobile phone. So if the vehicle is opened by a clone key or forced open, the alarm will leave the trigger, or if the original key is used and the tag isn't present, then the alarm will sound and the vehicle will stay immobilised, giving you full notifications to your mobile phone. So at the minute we haven't got the tags present. We'll unlock the vehicle. As you can see, the mirrors don't fold out yet. The mirrors are programmed to only fold out when the engine starts, so it stops all that mirror folding that you might see on some other vehicles. So with no tags present at the minute, mobile phone's not paired. You try and start the vehicle, it will start, but it will die again straight away. And as you can see, the mirrors are folded out. We can use customizable buttons on here and here to disarm the system, so I'll do that now. Obviously I'm not going to show you for security purposes. Wait for the double flash. Double flash. We can now start the vehicle as normal. As soon as you take the key out of the ignition, try and restart the vehicle. It's not going to do anything, it's going to die straight away again. We've got horn honk on here as well, so if the alarm's activated, the horn will trigger as well. For any of our security products or some more information regarding the Starline S9 and our Gold Plus package, give us a call on 01254 200 211. Thank you for watching.